Hello students, in this video lecture you will learn what is HTML, why we use HTML and what means by full stack web development. Okay, so first of all you have to know what is HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and HTML is a standard markup language for the web pages. So students, there is a difference between markup language and a programming language. C, C++, Java, C Sharp are the programming languages. But HTML is the standard markup language, not a programming language. It's a markup language for creating web pages. All over the world, we use HTML for creating the web pages, means websites. So why we use HTML? So the answer is same, that HTML is used for creating the web pages, websites. So HTML consists of a lot of elements, and HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. So there are two main important concepts in HTML. First one is element and the next one is the attributes of the element and the values of the attributes. Don't worry, you will learn in the next video lectures what are elements, what are attributes and what are the values of the attributes. Okay. So HTML describes the structure of the web page. Means the browser understands the website by HTML. Okay. So to become a full stack web developer, you have to know what is front end development and what is back end development. Okay, so there is a lot of job in the market, in the freelance marketplace also for full stack web developer. A person who know front end development and back end development, then he became full stack web development. So to become the front end web development, you have to know three languages and it is mandatory: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This playlist will dedicated to HTML. In the next video lectures in the future, we will learn CSS and JavaScript. Okay. So for backend development, you can learn any framework, Django. If you learn Django, then you should learn Python with SQLite database. Okay. Or you can learn React technology or PHP. Okay. So PHP is very old language, but the new frameworks are React and Django. So this is a very beautiful equation that full stack web development is equal to front-end web development plus back-end web development. So there are different web developers. You will see in your future front-end web developers and the back-end web developers. If a web developer learned both the technologies, means front-end and back-end, then he will become the full stack web developer. Okay, so for front-end web development is mandatory. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These three languages you have to learn to become the front-end web developer, or you can learn back-end web developer by any one framework, Django, React, or PHP. So, softwares for writing code. We will use Visual Studio Code. VS Code is the short form of Visual Studio Code. You can learn anyone. Okay, so you can use anyone. You can use Sublime Text, Notepad++, Notepad. If you use Notepad++, then you should use XAMPP, local server. Okay, but if you use Visual Studio Code, then you should learn how to use it. And this is very easy. You have to install it from its original website. This is the official software of Microsoft. Microsoft Visual Studio Code. To install it, go to your browser, favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and there you can type Visual Studio Code. Hit enter. So this is the official website, Visual Studio Code. Code.visualstudio.com is the URL. Then just click on it. And here you can see the download for Windows, and this is the stable build. Okay, means this is stable software. Then you can easily download it from this, and then you can click next, and then simply install it. Okay, so now you will see this interface. So as you can see that I have made a folder Understand Education in my D drive. Okay, so how I build it, I go to my D drive and then I make a folder, and then I open it with open with code, and then you can see that this folder is empty. You can see. So how to make a file in it? Just click on it. There you can see new file. Okay, so click on it, and you can take anyone, means class1.html. You have to give the extension HTML that the software will understand that which type of file you are using, which type of file you want to create. Then we write code of HTML. So we use it HTML and then click enter. So now you can see that there is a file of class1.html name. Then simply here you will write shift plus exclamation mark, and then you can see there is written emmet abbreviate. So just click on it. As you can see, the main and basic layout of the page is this. So you have to know the basic HTML tags. In this video lecture, I will tell you what's the meaning of these tags, and these tags are very important for every HTML web page. So by using this software, you can use a live server. Just click on it, go live, and then you will go live. Means you can use you can see that every change you make on your web page, you will see here. So just click on it. As you can see, so first of all, let me tell you what's the meaning of this. Okay, so doctype HTML. So it's mean doctype HTML. This is the element, and this is used to define that this document is HTML 5.0. As doctype HTML declaration defines that this document is HTML 5.0. So the next tag is HTML length is equal to EN. This tag is will tell the browser that the language of this web page is English. Okay, you can use any language, then you have to mention it that which language you are using for your web page. So I'm using English, so this is English, and then this is the head section. Okay, in the head section you will learn many things. Charset UTF-8, this is used for encoding, and this is mandatory for every web page. If you want that your web page should be secure and should not be hacked, then you should use this tag, meta tag. Okay, and the next one is this is name. Meta name is equal to viewport content is equal to this. This is used that wherever your website is being used, either it is on laptop or mobile, then this will look pretty good. Okay, so this is the title. As you can see, this is the title tag, and in there is written documents. So just click on it here, go live. So starting the process is starting, and then you can see here that this is written document. If you change the title, then you can use means I am written here understand education class 1. Okay, and then I will move here. Then you should save these changes you made in your HTML5. Control S, and then you go to your browser. Then you can see, just refresh it, or let's see what happened. Control S, and then here now you can see that understand education class 1. You should not you do not need to refresh this page. Okay, this will change automatically. So as you can see that I write it, instead of understand education, I write here only class 1, and then save. To save this file is mandatory, Control S, and then go to your browser. Then you can see there is class 1 is written. Okay, so as you can see that meta and title tags are always be written in the head element. Okay, head element is just for them, and also for other tags I will show you in the next video lectures. Now this is a body tag. You can use many tags in this body tag. Okay, so as you can see that HTML started here and HTML ended here. The HTML tag starts with this, and the forward slash is used to tell the browser that the tag has been ended. So HTML is the root element of the page, and the head element consists of meta information about the HTML page, And the title element defines the title of the HTML page, and the body element contains visible content. Means if you write anything in the body section, then this will return show you in the browser. So body element consists of visible content such as headings, paragraphs, tables, lists, images, audios, videos, hyperlinks, and much more. You do not need to worry. I will tell you in the next video lectures about all of them. So let's use our basic and first tag, key tag, which is used for paragraph. Okay. So as you can see that this software is very good. If you write any tag and press enter, then the other tag will be automatically written. If you use another means K, Notepad and Notepad++ softwares, then you should write each and every character by yourself. Software will not help you to complete the tags. Okay, so if I write understand education YouTube channel and then Control+S, now it's saved, and go to browser, then you can see understand education YouTube channel, then YouTube is here should be written R instead of. Okay, so Control+S and then go to there, then you can see any change you make in the Visual Studio Code, then you have to save it and go to your Google Chrome, then you can see that the change will be done and you do not need to refresh the page. Okay, understand education YouTube channel. So in the next video lectures, we will learn more tags, we will explore more tags. So for next video lecture, subscribe to Understand Education YouTube channel and like this video lecture and share this video lecture with your friends so that they will be able to understand what is HTML and they will learn a new language for the web development, website development. Okay, HTML is very necessary. So take care, Allah Hafiz.